and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Just real quick, there is still a giveaway going on for the Bloodlust palette, so I'll link that down below, and there's other information down there if you are interested. My hair was in a process, and then I decided that I might just stay blonde for a little while. It's been a while since I've been blonde. I actually bought cotton candy pink to put in my hair, but I just decided, well, I'm still kind of deciding, but I'm almost positive I'm just gonna stay blonde for a little while. Let's see, today I have for you the box. So, did they raise the price on this? And my grandfather claws into the original price? I don't know. The box was or is $20 a month. That's what I pay, I think. And let's get into this. Now, I'm pretty sure that this is last month's box. I think the trend is going to be with the box. It feels like the trend that they're trying to acquire is that the month that the box is, you get it like the first week of the next month. That seems to be the way it might be kind of working out. I'm not 100% sure, but let's get into this. So I open it up and this is what I see. Oh, and if you're wondering about my shirt, it is just a zombie Betty Boop tank top. It does come with a card with the prices. Let's see. I got variation 1 and the retail value says it's $152. So let's get into it. Oh, that's cute. So they put little rose petals in the box. So I have to assume that this is February's. So the first thing I am pulling out is this watermelon sugar scrub by NCLA, and it retails for $14. And it is a lip scrub that cleanses. Typically, I would keep this, but I have so many lip scrubs that are open right now. I wouldn't want to open another one and let it go to waste, so I will probably just toss this into one of the giveaways. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll just keep it sealed. I don't know, we'll see. The next thing I am pulling out is a Jet Super Hydrating Skincare. And this is by Double Dare. It's all-in-one jet serum and it retails for $38. Use this in place of a toner and moisturizer to effectively boost hydration, protect and revitalize the skin. Okay, again, I have so much skincare going on right now. I don't want it to go to waste, but I'll think about it. The next thing I am pulling out is by Z Skin. Now, this is a really good brand. I have, what do I have by these people? I have a moisturizer, I have a sunscreen, and now I have an eye cream. So I will definitely keep this. This retails for $24, but I do like Z Skin, so I will definitely keep that. Whether or not I'll actually get around to using it, who knows? The next thing I am pulling out is by Real Her, and it's a matte lipstick, I Am the Best. And this retails for $18. Let's see, let's take a peek at the color. Yep, the name of the shade is I Am the Best. Ooh, that's really pretty packaging. So it looks like that, and this is different. Isn't their packaging usually like a black and white? I want to say that it's black and white, but that's really pretty. And that is actually a really pretty color. So I will keep a hold of that one. And it does have a magnetic closure. So that's cool. Okay. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is a Real Her You Are Brilliant palette. It is sealed, so I am gonna have to damage the packaging just a little bit. I am looking shiny today. All I have on, the only thing I have on my face is moisturizer. But I'm feeling like I'm looking like super, well, I don't feel shiny. I just look shiny. I don't know, maybe it's just a reflection. I don't know. Okay, anyway, let's get back to this. So this palette, You Are Brilliant. Oh, it's a Pro Blush palette and it retails for $38. I think this is new packaging for this company too. So it's plastic. I want to say that the other ones were cardboard maybe. Oh, those are some really pretty colors. Now I typically don't reach for a blush palette, but I really like this color here. What's it called? Genuine, and I also like Visionary, which is this one right here. And again, but that's why I don't often reach for palettes, because there are two blushes that I might use. This is a pretty highlighter, but there are two blushes that I might use in a palette. So that's typically why I don't lean towards palettes, but these are pretty, so I will probably keep a hold of that. The packaging is really nice though. I feel like this is definitely a step up from their previous packaging. I don't know if it's just specific to this line maybe, but I'm pretty sure their regular packaging was like black and white. So I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, tell me down below. You know me. And then the next thing I am pulling out is Champagne Kisses. And it's by Be Bella Cosmetics, and it looks like this. I think that it is cute. Let's see. And this retails for $18. So let's pull it out of the sleeve, and then the inner packaging looks like that. Okay, that's an interesting layout. I don't think I've ever seen a layout like this. And I don't know how I feel about the colors in this palette either. Mostly because I have all of these colors in my collection. So I will probably just pass that along to somebody else. But that's an interesting setup. When I opened it, I wasn't quite sure how I felt about that setup, but it's interesting. I don't think I've ever, I guess the closest palette that I would see that would come like this is maybe Kat Von D palettes. But, or well, I guess really any drugstore palette. Usually it's just like a rectangle and then they have the square lines, so anyway. So it's a pretty palette. I have all of these colors. So I will just pass that along to one of you guys. Okay, so what do I think about this box? I think it was okay. I mean, I'm not mad at it. We got two palettes, a lipstick, some skincare, and a lip scrub. And I don't know, I'm not mad at it at all. I think it was a good box. I think it was a decent box. I do think that there have been better, but it's not a bad box at all. I mean, these products, I know that the Real Her products are decent products. So, I mean, they're not bad products. I don't know about this Be Bella. I've never used anything from them before. But like, you know, Z Skin, I have stuff and I use that. I love, love, love lip scrubs, but I have so many right now. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I don't think I have anything else to say. I think I'm good. All right, have a great day. Bye.